Okay, this review is on graphing linear equations and functions in the Algebra 1 textbook for online. It's chapter 4. First thing you want to do here, for this particular problem, the directions are going to say which ordered pair is a solution to this equation. Well, for this one, you just plug it in and see which one is true. Let's do this in our head. Plug in an 8 for y, 3 for x. 8 minus 3 is 5. Nope. B. 15 minus 5 is 10. This is our solution. That's it. Any other variation for this type of problem? Let's say if I gave you 3x minus y equals 12. Same problem. Let's say I gave you an ordered pair 1, 2. And the question is this a solution to this equation? Well, let's see. Plug in the values. 2 is y, 1 is x. We could do this in our head as well. 3 times 1 is 3. I said do in our head and I start writing. Minus 2. What's that? 3 minus 2, which is 1. Is that equal to 12? Not on this planet. So for this particular problem, this is not a solution. Okay? Alright, next type of problem. Maybe you're given, we'll label this number 3. Maybe you're given an equation. Let's say negative 4x minus y equals 12. And the directions are find the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Well, you just got to remember, whenever you find the x-intercept, your y value is going to be 0. Whenever you find the y-intercept, your x value is going to be 0. So what we're going to do is plug a 0 in for x, solve for y, 0 for y, solve for x. Those are intercepts. Let's label it x-intercept. For x-intercept, plug a 0 in for y. Pretty easy. Negative 4x minus 0. I'm going to put that in parentheses. Equals 12. That's 0. What's negative 4x? Equals 12. Divide by negative 4. X is equal to negative 3. And that's your x-intercept. Let's do the same thing for y-intercept. We're going to plug a 0 in for x. So we have negative 4 times 0 minus y equals 12. Next step, that's 0. So you have negative y equals 12. And then here there's an understood negative 1 here. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. So y is equal to negative 12. Okay. Next, let's take this equation and let's draw a graph of this function using my x and y intercept. Okay, let's continue. My x-intercept was negative 3. Thought we'd choose another color. My y-intercept was negative 12. Well, to graph these, let's draw an xy graph. X is negative 3, so I need to go at least this far. And negative 12 for y, I need to go down at least 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to put a dot on negative 12. Because that's my y-intercept, which has the ordered pair of 0, negative 12. I'm going to put a dot on negative 3 for x, which has the ordered pair of negative 3, 0. And from here, we're simply going to draw a line. And let's see if I can do this without making this too messy. And there you go. There you have it. There's our equation. There's our line drawn. This is part 1 of our functions and equations. We'll go on to part 2 here in a minute.